Hey guys, I got most of it together. The, like I said, remembering see this part's just broken. So that's gonna be replaced on Monday. I also decided to change out the plug. I put a different plug on it. See, there's the old one right there. There's a spare that I had kicking with me. So I put that in there already. The American one spins a little bit better. See? Right. Allow me to put all this stuff together here. Alright. Got that together. Now, next up. Just the rest of this right here. Okay, that was a lie. The fan components, because you ain't moving much air when you're doing that, right? Alright, I got that part on there. Everything's got on there. I put that on there. I'm just going to leave that waiting for now, because it won't inhibit it much. Put on the plug. Second. Should be on there. Alright. Let me get outside and see if we can get it to go. Alright. I'm outside. It's mildly quiet. Here comes the car. Oh, nice fire pit in the back there. Alright, you guys, I'll put you guys right here. Sorry about my sausage fingers. Alright. There we go. Alright. Let's see if it will go. On the manual it said to time it 8 times. Alright. Let's try it now. Ooh, that sounded promising. And then up there. There we go. After being torn apart, look at it. Going on here. Half choke. Let me put this on again. Yeah, it's probably the fact that this is like it's kind of broken, so it's not exactly working the best always. So it's not getting too much. There we go. Yeah, I gotta get the new ball. Alright. So yeah, just a new ball. That should be it. Right. Later, guys.